Hi, I'm James from Mission Engineering. This is Namm 2019, where we're announcing the Mission Rangefinder Amplifier. The Rangefinder is a new concept in amplifiers to use with modelers and external preamps and devices like that. Basically, it turns a regular guitar speaker cabinet into a full-range monitor for use with cab sims, preamps, monitors, devices like the Line 6 Helix, Fractal Audio XFX, and the Kemper Profiler. The way that it works is that internal to this power amplifier is a high-frequency driver that sits at the front, a crossover, and a USB audio interface. I connect the amp up to my regular speaker cabinet, just the same as I would a tube amp head, and then I can adjust the high frequency so that it turns in between a regular speaker cabinet and a high-frequency monitor. It's all MIDI controlled, so I just need to press a button on my MIDI controller and it brings in the high-frequency driver so I can use it as a full-range monitor with cabinet simulators. The system's entirely firmware upgradable in the field, so we'll be providing firmware upgrades for the system so that it can be updated to have internal cabinet simulators, internal preamps, and other types of software feature that you'll be able to download and add, as well as bug fixes and other future upgrades. I think it's, as far as I can tell, the only amplifier of this type that's available where you've got a power amp with an integrated high-frequency driver, firmware upgrades, and a USB audio interface. The USB audio interface is a studio quality 24-bit, 192 kilohertz USB audio interface. So I can plug my laptop in the back running something like Logic or Pro Tools. Then I just hit this little switch on the front and that reroutes the guitar into the USB audio interface. So now I can record into Logic or Pro Tools. I can use this as a monitor so I can play out through it. I can use cab sims and amp sims that are in Logic or Pro Tools. And then when I want to switch back to a regular amp, I just hit this switch again and now I can play back through the amp exactly as I would do a regular tube head. All right, that's it. That's the Mission Rangefinder. Hope you guys like it. Take care. See you next year.